Welcome back guys to Future and TV, and today we are doing unboxing. We should have carried down a place, but it did kinda something did happen. That's why I never have video when I go collect it. See puppy there.
One and up, one and out.
Yeah, so today we are going unboxing, so jump in an intro and it on the back as usual, you see me? Yes, so people see it there. It's a tripod. I just need it to get it because see it there. Amazon, I buy it on Amazon Prime. See it there. Eating this. This to put the phone on.
I look one of them.
So just go and get this if you know. As time go get one other one now, a big one.
You need to want a big one, but when you go to my place to sell.
This here you put the phone on. I don't know if you can see. You have some screw on it on the tripod. If this can work on any tripod, anyone. So you can screw on. If you have one camera, you screw on. No, see, okay.
No.
See it there, babe. See it there. You have a 3 foot them or something like that.
Can't put your ground.
Yeah. Like this here.
Anything.
Can't put the screw on this one. It's
So like something like this.
yeah. Yeah, so
Tighten it up. Like
you have to
so.
tighten it up. If you want it like this, you tighten it up. So see,
So can do music video, can do video,
yeah,
can do anything.
can go so.
Can set for you do here. So yeah,
Can set side the gate.
like so.
Look.
Put here.
See it there, people, don't know if you not see it there.
Yeah.
So here people, I want good size tripod, so I can put it to use, put out some good content out there and things, so, and just stay tuned, you see me I say. We out, I soon build one end card for like, I soon tell them. So, I'm just like, share and subscribe. Put the bell to all, because if you don't put the bell to all, now I'm gonna get the post notification when we post one new video. So, look them up.